Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Discord from constantly updating every time you launch it, using safe and simple settings. Before we start, remember that Discord updates often include security fixes and new features, so completely blocking updates is not recommended. But you can instead reduce auto updates at startup and avoid unnecessary update loops with these steps. Step 1. Open Discord and log into your account as usual. Step 2. Click the user settings icon next to your username at the bottom. Step 3. Scroll down to Windows settings or startup options. Step 4. Turn off the option that says Open Discord on startup or Start Discord when I start my computer. This prevents Discord from auto-launching and auto-updating every time you turn on your PC. Step 5. From now on, open Discord manually when you actually need it. This way, Discord only checks for updates when you launch it, not every time Windows starts. Bonus tip: if Discord keeps updating again and again, close Discord completely, restart your PC, and then open Discord once with a stable internet connection. That's it. This is how you can stop Discord launch updates from bothering you all the time without breaking anything. Thanks for watching PC Error Detective, and see you in the next video.